Hello everyone and welcome back to CLGTR channel. Today I will show you guys how to paint water with Medibank Pen Pro. Before starting the tutorial, I will show you guys the tool that I will use in this tutorial. Okay, the program that I'm using is Medibank Pen Pro, and the brush I will use here will be the airbrush, the flat brush. Sometimes I will add some watercolor, but in this video they didn't show it, so I won't pause it here. And finally, I will use some trick with the smudge tool and the sparkle brush. Yeah, that's it. And also, I will use the snap tool with the circle here for easier to make the perfect circle. The next thing that I will use for some trick, that I will use the gradient tool and some blending of the layer. So let's start the tutorial. Now you can see on the screen right now that is the result that you will get after you finish this tutorial. Okay, I will create a new file here, any size you want it to be, and I will pick two colors already. You see that there is foreground color and background color here. You can click it to swap it, and I will choose one is the light color and one is the dark color, right? And so I will use the gradient tool here. The type is foreground and background. The shape is circular because we will create the circle wave like this one. Okay, so now I will drag. You maybe want to try several times until you're satisfied with the result. I want it to have a dark place around this one a little bit, and this is kind of perfect for me. Okay, we are done here. Next, I will choose the brush, and there it will be three brushes I will use in this when I starting to paint the basic here. That it will be the airbrush, the watercolor brush, and the flat brush. Wet here. I will use the snap tool, choose the circle to create the perfect circle for this one. You can click to the wheel tool here to move it to another position that you want it to, and put it here. When you click it, the circle now will stay forever in this place. Okay, so now I will choose the flat brush wet here and choose the light color. You maybe want it to be lighter than the original, and then I will draw some guideline kind of like this one. This guideline will help you a lot, like you do a first sketch for the water here. You maybe want to create a new layer if you're scared to make some mistake in here. After that, you can merge them together, but I like this one, and the navigator here will help you to see how it will look after you paint, and some guideline around here to see. Okay, to make it perfect and look it more realistic, you will have a lot of color changing in here, and the simple way that you will have three color: the light highlight color, the dark color for the shadow, and the mid color. The mid color will help you to change from the highlight color to the dark color, and I will show you how I do it. Okay, so with the flat brush in here, now I will increase the size, and this will be the dark and the light color, right? Now I will choose the middle one around here, and I'm starting to paint some part like this one. Remember, the shadows is around this part at the left, right? Don't paint too much on the right, because that will be where the light source will appear. So you will paint the most in the left, kind of like this, and just a little bit on the right, like this one. After you paint the middle color, now you will go with the light color. And remember that the light source is from the right, so you will paint the light color. You may want to increase to make the light more lighter, you would paint a lot on the right hand and just a little bit for the left hand, kind of like this. Okay, and the final thing that is the dark color. You can see I swap it to the dark color around here and dark for the left. You can see a navigator here. Now we have a basic look, kind of like this one, and a little bit darker around here too. Okay, and now the next thing that you're gonna do is you will use the Smudge tool. The Smudge tool is the default pen of Medibang Pen Pro. In case that you can't find it, you can download it from the Medibang Cloud. The Smudge tool, where is it? Here. Now the Smudge tool, I will zoom in to show you guys how it works. You can see when I use the Smudge tool in here, it will mix the color together like this. Just like you use the finger and you drag the color from this part to another part, and they will mix together. And then you will turn off the snap tool. That's it, the result that you have. You can finish your water right in this step, because that is what I'm gonna intend to show you guys, that is really easy, just a little bit technique, and you maybe want to use the watercolor brush and starting to paint some details here with a small brush, kind of like this one, right? Spend a lot of time to fit this one, and you will have the final result kind of like this. Here, this is the final result you will have after you spend a lot of work. And you maybe want to add some highlight color more here. Just use the watercolor brush and use the circle here, and then you draw some part around here. Use the Smudge tool again to blend them together. That is how it's supposed to work to make the water here. The next step now gonna be just the optional. You can do it or not, depend your choice. It's just like retouch the color and make some effect to make it look more beautiful. Okay, so maybe the color here is the fit what in your mind, or you maybe want to change the color by go to the filter and choose hue here, change the hue and increase the shadow rotation or decrease whatever you want, and click OK to have a better color. Next, I will create the new layer and choose lighten. The lighten color in here will let me mix some color in here and make it like a light up here. And because you know that we have the blue color in here, I love to mix it with the purple or kind of violet around this part, just a little bit. And I will use the gradient tool, use the foreground transparent, change the shape to liner here to make the straight line, and drag from the top to that, from top to bottom, this one. Maybe if you find it was too strong, you want to decrease the opacity of this one a little bit. I will create a new layer and choose the blending add. A blending add now will make the things look more shiny, right? And you see that some part in here is supposed to be shiny because it's reached the light. The lights will appear around here and make it look more sparkling. So that's why I will do this one and use the brush, choose the airbrush here, pick the highlight color around this part and use the circle again. I'm starting to paint really lightly like this one. Okay, you can see how it's work, right? And carefully, just lightly around this part. After you finish this one, go back with the Smudge tool and blend them together again. Now I will turn this one off and show you guys how it will appear. See, it's more leafy and more sparkling. It looks more beautiful, right? But you feel like the color now is lacking something, right? That's why I will create a new layer that will below the add layer and above the lighten color layer, I choose it's going to be the darken. Yeah, that's one. So with the darkening here is will create the depth of the picture. You will use the airbrush and use the dark color, increase the size and lightly drag around these positions. You can see that how the color become darkening, right? That's it. And now this will be the final result here. Now with just touching something, create a new layer, choose add again, and now I will use the sparkle brush here. You can download it from the Medibang Cloud if you didn't find it, and click to the wheel around here to change the setting of the brush, depend your choice. The particle random in here, you may change it a little bit from 1 to larger number to make the sparkle that up here is you want it to be the size just a little bit small like this one, and go back to the color, choose the light color, white would be best, and starting to paint around here. If you're finding that you are painting too much like this one, you can go back with the airbrush and choose the transparent box here, and then increase the size and erase some that you think is not necessary. So that is all about this tutorial. See you in the next video.